All right. Welcome back, everybody, for another deep dive.
Always exciting to be back.
You know it. And today we're doing things a little differently.
Ooh. How so?
Well, usually we're diving into a big global issue or a complex scientific study or something like that.
Right.
But today
Switching it up.
we're tackling something a little more.
Down to earth.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Something that everybody
Can relate to.
deals with on a regular basis. Laundry.
Ah, yes. The never-ending cycle of laundry.
It never ends, does it? But get this, we're not just talking about, the best way to fold a fitted sheet or anything.
Ooh, that's a valuable skill.
Absolutely essential.
But no, we're talking
We're
about
going deeper.
the intersection of AI.
And laundry.
Now that's a fascinating combo.
Right, I know. So, we came across this article titled How AI Chatbots Can Boost Laundry Service Sales.
Interesting.
And I gotta say,
Ooh, what caught your eye?
well, when I first saw the title, I thought, okay, this is gonna be about robots, literally doing our laundry.
Ah, yes, the robot butler taking care of all the chores.
Folding towels perfectly.
Ironing shirts without a wrinkle.
That's the dream.
One day, maybe.
Maybe one day. But
This article's focus is a bit different.
this is about AI that's more behind the scenes.
The brains of the operation, so to speak,
Managing and optimizing the entire laundry experience.
for both the customer and the business.
Exactly. So less about robots folding clothes and more about AI making the whole process smoother,
More efficient.
more personalized.
Potentially even more sustainable.
So much to unpack here.
Let's dive in.
Okay, so first up, this article talks about AI chatbots. Those little pop-up windows you see on websites.
Right, the ones that say, hi, how can I help you today?
Right, exactly. So apparently these chatbots, powered by technology like ChatGPT,
ChatGPT being a pretty popular one right now.
can completely revolutionize how laundry services interact with their customers.
Makes sense.
And I think the biggest advantage here is the 24/7 availability.
Oh, absolutely.
Because, let's be real, nobody wants to call a dry cleaner during business hours.
Everyone's busy working, running errands, living their lives.
Exactly. So to be able to just hop online,
At any time,
day or night,
get your questions answered,
signal to pick up, confirm your order.
all without having to wait on hold.
No more listening to that elevator music.
Ah, the dreaded elevator music.
It's a game changer.
It really is. And, it goes beyond just the basic stuff like scheduling.
Oh yeah.
It gets into some really cool personalization features.
Like what?
Okay, imagine this. You've got a big event coming up.
Okay.
Maybe a wedding, a job interview,
Got that big presentation.
and you need your favorite outfit cleaned.
Right.
Now imagine getting a text message reminding you to schedule a pickup,
A little nudge.
and then another text when your clothes are ready.
Now that is service.
That's AI, remembering your preferences and anticipating your needs.
Hold on. AI can predict what kind of laundry services people will need.
In a way, yes.
That's wild.
It analyzes past orders, seasonality, even local events.
So if there's a big festival coming up, it knows there's going to be a surge in dry cleaning.
Exactly. It's all about using data to provide a more personalized experience.
This is blowing my mind.
And the best part is it benefits both sides.
Right. The customer gets a more convenient and personalized service.
And the laundry business gets increased customer satisfaction and loyalty.
It's a win-win.
Now let's move on to how AI is streamlining the entire operation behind the scenes.
Yeah, the article talks about this too.
So think about all those tasks that keep a laundry business running.
Like what?
Managing bookings, processing payments, tracking orders as they move through the cleaning process.
Right, all the stuff that nobody really sees but is essential.
Exactly. It's like a well-oiled machine, and AI can automate a lot of this.
So instead of a human having to manually enter every order into a spreadsheet,
Right, which is time-consuming and prone to errors.
the AI can do it automatically.
Right, precisely. And not just that it can optimize delivery routes, track inventory levels, even predict when equipment might need maintenance.
It's like having a super efficient manager working 24/7.
That's a great way to put it. It's all about making the process smoother, more efficient, and cost-effective.
Fewer lost socks, less stress for everyone.
Now you're talking.
That's what I like to hear.
But wait, there's more.
I knew there was more.
The article also dives into how AI can revolutionize marketing for laundry services.
Okay, I'm intrigued.
So we all know how important social media is these days.
Right, every business needs to have a strong online presence.
Exactly. And AI can help laundry businesses manage their social media like a pro.
Really? How so?
Well, for starters, it can automate the posting schedule.
So like instead of having to remember to post every day at a certain time?
The AI can handle that,
Okay, that's helpful.
and it can even create engaging content.
Like what kind of content are we talking about here?
Think behind the scenes looks at the cleaning process, customer testimonials, even fun facts about laundry.
Oh, interesting.
And the AI can tailor these posts to specific target audiences.
So like if they know a lot of customers are young professionals,
They can create content that appeals to that demographic.
if they want to reach more families,
The AI can adjust the content accordingly.
wow, so it's like having a personalized marketing team, but without the overhead.
Exactly. And for smaller businesses, this is huge.
Because they often don't have the resources to hire a full-time marketing staff.
Right. But with AI, they can compete with the bigger players in terms of marketing reach.
So we've seen how AI can transform customer service, streamline operations, and even boost marketing.
A triple threat.
But there's one more piece to this puzzle,
What's that?
the data.
Yes, the fuel that powers the AI engine.
Exactly. So the article talks about how AI can analyze huge amounts of data.
Like order patterns, customer preferences.
Popular services' peak demand times.
It's like having a crystal ball that helps laundry businesses make smarter decisions.
Predict demand. Optimize delivery routes. Even identify new service opportunities.
It's all about using data to gain insights that would be impossible for a human to see.
This is incredible, and it reminds me of how streaming services recommend shows you might enjoy.
Based on your viewing history.
Exactly. But for laundry.
It's the same principle, personalize the experience based on individual preferences.
And this data-driven approach can even make laundry services more sustainable,
Right, because the AI can help optimize resource usage
minimize waste.
and even choose more eco-friendly cleaning methods.
This is crucial because more and more customers are demanding sustainable options.
Absolutely, and businesses that embrace this trend will definitely have a competitive advantage.
So to sum it all up, AI isn't just changing the laundry industry.
It's completely transforming it.
It's making things easier and more convenient for customers,
More efficient and profitable for businesses.
and even more sustainable for the planet.
It's a win-win-win.
And you know what's really exciting is that this is just the beginning.
The tip of the iceberg.
Exactly. As AI technology continues to evolve,
Who knows what other amazing innovations we'll see in the laundry industry?
maybe those robot butlers aren't so far off after all.
Maybe not, but in the meantime,
If you're in the laundry business,
and you're looking to take your operation to the next level,
you might want to consider jumping on this AI train.
it's definitely moving fast.
And if you're a customer,
Get ready for a whole new level of laundry service.
more personalized,
Yeah.
more convenient.
More sustainable,
The future of laundry is here.
and it's powered by AI.
And that's a wrap on another deep dive.
Until next time,
Keep exploring.
and keep those clothes clean.
With the help of AI, of course.
Naturally.
All right, we'll see you next time.
See you then.